Hi everyone and welcome back to Crafting with Kate. Today we'll be making 2 cards out of 1 die. So you need 2 bases at 5 7/8 by 8 1/4 scored at 4 1/8. I've already done one through the embossing folder. The other one's waiting to go through, and this is the die. It's still attached for ease. So I will have to, cut round it. And what have you. So what I'm going to do is pull everything out. Or in fact I'm going to put it back through embossing machine. But we'll do this one first. Right. Embossing machine. Voila. Embossing folder in there. I'll do it as it is, whatever colour you want to use. You just rub it on your embossing folder like so. Line that up. Make sure it's straight, or as straight as the dog's back leg. What is in. So we'll run that through. And it's easy cleanable. Don't worry if you think, oh god, it's not going to come off. It will come off. So that's that. And that's that. Okay, take these out. Put that away. Get these bits. Put that away. Recover that. Get this. There you go. It might tint a little bit, but it still works. Still works. Right, get my little machine out. Put this back on. Make sure that it's done sufficiently. Move that out. Click, click. Let you know it's done. This is the hardest bit. Making sure everything what's supposed to stay in stays in. And this one, you just need to try and sort of mimic that's it. So I've got this piece which I could put there. Or there, which I'll put on this one, on that one. It's just waste. Just using your waste, that's all you're doing. And there's no point in wasting it, sometimes. Oh, needs a bit of glovage there. Now this one. What I'll try and do is see if I can put some glovage on. And then poke them out. Turkey doodle. That one's down. A bit of faff. Yeah, me faffing, I know. And you've got these bits. It's probably easier to take them out, but might be different. That's there. Take it out some quicker. That one needs to be like so. There you go. So, where's the rest of my bits? Ah! Did I leave them in said card? No, not in there. I have to redo them. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Box of bits, some red, that one. I've just put it all back. I've just put everything back. Oh my days. I'll probably find him in a minute, but it's not a video if I don't make a mess, is it? Let's see what I could use. I think there might be a bit. That's not very. Let's see what this is. Thank you. Cut these down the middle. This side. Dementias. Dementias. Oh, I still need it, don't I? Oh, you're not straight. I could put some red behind it, but I'm just going to leave it. Come on, stop messing. Get some pearls. There you go, 2 for the price of 1. So I hope you liked it. Like, share, subscribe, be awesome, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.